Horses sound, we have Tiger Big pass to begin. Panamera moving up. Hakuna Matata together with Enigmatic Semper Fidelis Gracious Souls. Washing up his Suburban, then followed over by Corduo. Down on the inside, Bellapat. Winner take all, and Rasputin is the early trailer. Tiger Epic, and on the outside, Enigmatic Semper Fidelis in there. Then on the outside, Port Hakuna Matata. Panamera comes next, and on the outside, Suburban Gracious Souls. Then on the inside, Corduo alongside Bellapat. Winner take all, and Rasputin still racing in last. And it's still Tiger Epic, Semper Fidelis, Hakuna Matata is on the outside third. Enigmatic and Panamera. We have Semper Fidelis takes the lead. Down on the inside is Tiger Epic. Hakuna Matata on the outside. We've got Semper Fidelis takes the lead. Hakuna Matata now moves up on the outside. Tiger Epic is down on the inside third. Panamera in as they come down at the last 150. The lead now belongs to Hakuna Matata, this time by about 3 lengths. And second is Semper Fidelis, Corduo, then followed by Tiger Epic. But it's still Hakuna Matata, followed by Corduo, Semper Fidelis. And nearing the finish line, it's all Hakuna Matata, Corduo, Semper Fidelis, close, Enigmatic, Gracious Souls, Panamera.
Panamera. Okay. So in